Hi, this is Dan from Feldmann Imports, and today we have a 2019 Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 4MATIC. This is in a black exterior with a tan beige interior here. Leather accents throughout. Beautiful leather seats. Sunroof, blind spot assist, and coming around to the back, 4MATIC Mercedes-Benz GLS 450 badging, power opening and closing trunk, some new floor mats for you here, and third row seats. We'll take a closer look around the corner here. Rear seats, rear climate control, and quick look up front. Alright, and third row seats. So we've got one up and one down there. And then just to put that down, just flip that lever there. And then we got this little pull lever here. And just like that one's folded up, ready for easy access to your third row. And then we have power controls for the third row here. There we go. Memory seats with driver seat controls, driver door controls, driver seat. Steering wheel. Mileage in this vehicle is 15,936. And we have a push button ignition. Mercedes-Benz navigation system, radio, and backup camera, shifter, climate control, and center console. Now, if you'd like to see any more photos or get any more information about this vehicle or any of our others, just see our website, feldmannimports.com.